I'm running late. I have a million and one things to do. Had to work out, go drop off a package at the post office, and I had to stop at Walmart for a few things, but most importantly, it was to get this soap. You guys can see all my stuff back here. I'm gonna do a quick wash day. I'm also gonna shave, but I found this black soap, which I am gonna go ahead and use for my face today. And I specifically got this for my face. So finally got this guy open. And there's actually 2 seals on this whenever I buy this. This is my quick buy when I have to go to Walmart to get this. I always get the okay, but this is, let's see. I wanted to show you guys. This is like a nightmare to get off. But at least you know it's sealed properly. Here we go. Oh, wow. So you're going to also take this other wrap off. It's more of a thinner wrap. This is much easier to take off. Usually whenever I do this, I don't want to use... I broke it. I don't want to use the whole thing whenever I do this, so I just break it in half because I'm only going to use this for my face. Now, if you're going to use body, I would just go ahead and just open the whole thing. But this is only going to be for my face, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap the rest of it and put it away. And this little plastic comes in handy because you can just wrap the rest of it and put it away. And I'm going to be using this guy with my muslin cloth. Guys, I am more than excited. Let me show you guys. Here we go. I have shea butter on my skin because I had to go out for sunscreen. But I am more than happy with these results. And with this added black soap, I want to see even better results. So guys, let me go in. What I need to do is actually just take these out. Now, you guys can see, I am not going to hot oil my hair because there's plenty of oil from yesterday. So all I need to do is actually just go ahead and, because I can do this, this is what we're gonna do. Just a couple of strands. Gonna put some conditioner at the bottom. This is the way you do a quick wash day with this. And remember I blew out my hair a few days ago? Actually lasted pretty long and did pretty well. And because, remember, I put a lot of shea butter and castor oil on it, I don't have any heat damage. Okay guys, this looks a little bit crazy, but this is what we're doing. And sometimes I twist these weird and they kind of come out, so you have to retwist them again. So just do that to make sure it doesn't come out, because my hair is pretty much detangled. It's has the conditioner in the ends, and this is how much hair I lost throughout the whole process, guys. You see it? So now what I'm gonna go do is go shower while this is working on the ends, and I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo the roots as well, and that way I can take a quick shower, shave, and go ahead and get this wash day done. This is it. See? So I'm telling you, put a lot of shea butter and heat protectant because my hair is fine. I'm gonna go get dressed and eat something.